Vincenzo'S Gold Crypto Investing, a quick update. Yes, the XML trade did not go according to plan. As you can see, if you hopped in on this, when I did at 25 cents, I would be paying very close attention to this right here. If you break, we're going to put a little price label up. I would have a stop loss, which I actually do, right about where I bought it, right there. If you break this key resistance or support right here that you've hit on it with our industry exclusive drawing tool 1, 2, 3 times, if you break that, I would have a stop loss right underneath that 200-day moving average. Because we had the trading alert out here. I thought it was going to break up from there, but the volume, like I was saying, was dead. I just thought it would pop, took a gamble, and it broke down out of that, but it's getting supported. If it holds that and pops back up into here, I'd probably get out of it. Or like I do, I have a stop loss right on here, right at the even mark. So if it breaks below this right here, this 25 cent mark right here, if you break the 25 cent mark, have a stop loss at 25 cents. If you entered into this position with me in this formation, and if you entered it up here this morning when you seen a video, well, it's shitty. You're down a few percent. Like my one man said, XLM is fleas heisting and shysting us, and it did on that dump. I would have a stop loss so we don't get wrecked. And if you entered in up here, it's minimum losses. If you got in down here on my video, I got in yesterday with the video I showed you guys. But if it breaks this and doesn't hold and come back, I would have a stop loss right there at 25 cents, right? If it gets below 25 in the green 200-day moving average right there, I would have a stop loss there, because if it breaks this, it's going to come back down here really quick, and there's no need to take that fall on XLM, right? The same thing as these other coins are starting to do now. Let's just go find Dogecoin. You can see Dogecoin's falling back too. Dogecoin hit our target beautifully. Remember we put this little circle up here, back there, so it was a good call there. It just, everything broke back down from there. You could do something like that and come back up. Dogecoin, I wouldn't be rushing to get in that, but XLM, 25 cents, stop loss, get out, right? And the Bitcoin market, this is a quick update. I was eating dinner, I just got home from work. Bitcoin is broken through all the long-term indicators, and it's south of the 50 now. I would think Bitcoin's going to come back down here. And as you know, when I put that alert up this morning, I said now is not the time to buy up here, even though it pumped a little more. Back there was the time to buy in Bitcoin. I told you now is not time to buy. We were waiting for this pump because our track showed it. I think it hit our track exactly dead on. Let's pull this off. Look at this. Look how close it came. It came up to 40,565, and our highest candle was 40,000. So I got you within $200 at the top in Bitcoin. And then now you can see what our track says it's going to do. You're going to come down, and then you're going to consolidate, right? So the next time to buy on a swing trade in Bitcoin is down here at like 26 cents to play a pump up to 35, because now you have a huge consolidation coming, right? Similar, if we zoom out, a similar consolidation. We don't need the weekly. The daily should be sufficient. See this? See this consolidation right here that you broke down, then you broke out? This is the same kind of consolidation you're going to get right here the next few months as you come down from this last pump to 40. And then I told you in November, remember, November crash is coming. November crash is coming after this multi-month consolidation. You have a late fall crash of 30 to 50% in Bitcoin. That's going to run you roughly from 20,000 all the way to 17,000. Like, subscribe, and share. Just like I told you earlier, the pump's over in Bitcoin. It's coming down. The rest of these coins are going to start coming down now too. In the next few days, there's going to be lots of volatility, up 20, down 30, up 10, down 20, lots of volatility, but you're going to come back down, and you have a multi-month consolidation, and then you're going to have a big crash in November. Like, subscribe, and share.